Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a specific automotive component that's crucial for certain vehicle systems. We're looking at the Turmeric Hengliang store's offering of a 4-pin electronic power steering machine automotive connector. This particular connector carries the part numbers 6189 to 1231 and 90,980 to 12,495, making it a direct fit or compatible replacement for applications requiring these specifications. It is explicitly mentioned as compatible with the Crown 12495, which is a key piece of information for anyone working on that specific model or system. The connector itself is a vital link in the electronic power steering system, ensuring reliable communication and power flow. The product comes in various set quantities, ranging from 1 to 20 sets. The specific item being considered here is the 20-set option, which is particularly useful for workshops, professional mechanics, or enthusiasts who frequently work on compatible vehicles or projects. Having multiple connectors on hand means less downtime waiting for parts. The connector is described as being gray in color, which is a common standard for automotive connectors and helps maintain the original look of the wiring harness. From a technical standpoint, a 4-pin connector indicates it handles multiple signals or power lines necessary for the function of the electronic power steering machine. The quality of the materials used in automotive connectors is paramount, as they are exposed to vibrations, temperature fluctuations, and sometimes moisture or chemicals. A good quality connector, like the one offered by Turmeric Hengliang store, should feature robust plastic housing that resists cracking and degradation over time, as well as secure terminals that maintain a stable electrical connection. The design should ensure a tight, secure fit when plugged into its mating connector, preventing accidental disconnection. The compatibility with the Crown 12495, using the specific part numbers 6189 to 1231 and 90,980 to 12,495, is the main selling point for users needing this exact part. It removes the guesswork involved in finding a suitable replacement or component for repairs or custom installations. For anyone dealing with issues related to the electronic power steering system on a compatible vehicle, such as intermittent power, error codes related to the EPS module, or complete system failure, a faulty connector could be the culprit. Replacing a damaged or corroded connector with a new one like this can often resolve such problems, restoring proper function to the power steering. Considering the availability in sets, especially the 20-set option, this product is positioned well for the aftermarket and repair industry. It provides a cost-effective way to stock up on a commonly needed part. The reliability of the connection is critical for safety and performance in a power steering system. So choosing a connector that meets or exceeds OEM standards is important. This Turmeric Hengliang connector appears to be a solid option for those requiring the 6189 to 1231 or the 90,980 to 12,495 part numbers for their electronic power steering machine applications, particularly compatible with the Crown 12495. Its availability in bulk sets adds significant value for frequent users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.